Welcome to the AMZ research. I'm Khubaib, and this is your complete A to Z guide for building a successful brand on Amazon. I'm excited to be your guide on this journey. Let me be clear, building a real business is a challenge, but the reward for your effort is more than worth it. This course is designed to be your blueprint, turning complexity into a clear, step-by-step process. To get the absolute most out of this material, I highly recommend you review it twice. The first time, just watch all the modules to absorb the big picture and understand how all the pieces fit together. The second time, follow along and implement each step as you build your own business in real time. So, let's break down exactly what you're going to learn. We begin with your business foundation. In this module, you'll learn the critical first steps, including how to set up your business, whether as an LLC or a sole proprietor, securing your official tax ID number, opening a dedicated business bank account, and establishing a simple bookkeeping system to track your sales and expenses from day one. Next, we move to getting started on Amazon. Here, we get you live on the platform by covering the step-by-step process for creating your Amazon seller account, a complete walkthrough of the Seller Central dashboard, the key differences between fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) and fulfillment by merchant (FBM), a clear breakdown of all the Amazon fees so there are no surprises. With your account active, we dive into the most crucial phase, product research. This is where winners are made, and you will learn my proven methods for finding profitable product opportunities, how to analyze your competition and find gaps in the market, the types of products you must avoid to prevent costly mistakes, how to master Helium 10 for data-driven product validation, and how to check for product restrictions to ensure you can actually sell your chosen item. Once you've found your product, we'll cover manufacturing and sourcing. You'll become an expert in working with suppliers, including understanding critical shipping and payment terms, how to find and professionally message manufacturers on Alibaba, the right way to order samples and narrow down your best supplier options, negotiating prices and arranging for third-party product inspections. Then you'll learn how to create a world-class optimized product listing. We will cover every element needed to maximize sales, like writing compelling titles, bullet points, and descriptions using high-value keywords, creating high-converting product images that drive clicks, building out professional A-plus content to dominate your product page, and even how to add a product video to make your listing stand out. Finally, we focus on your launch and growth. This is where we scale your business with Amazon's internal tools, covering advanced keyword research for your advertising campaigns, a deep dive into Amazon advertising, PPC, from setting up your first automatic and manual campaigns to advanced optimization, how to use search term reports to eliminate wasted ad spend, and the essential strategies for getting your first reviews and ensuring you get paid. This course is the complete roadmap. I'm ready to get started, and I'll see you in the first module.